And we're on the In the Night garden ride at Alton Towers Cbeebies land. You've never done it before.
Out the other side.
Oh, it's talking.
What's that sound? Can you hear it? What do you think it is? If you know the answer, shout it out.
It's the Ninky Nonk!
We're going to
The Ninky Nonk.
Oh no, it's the Ninky Nonk. That's the Ninky Nonk. What's that? Can you hear the noise? I wonder what it is. If you know the answer, shout it out. That's right. It's the Pinky Pong. Here is a house. Whose house is this? And are they in or are they out?
They're in.
It's the Tombliboos. How many can you see?
3.
Tombliboo, knock on the door. Tombliboo, sit on the floor. Tombliboo, here is my nose. Tombliboo, that's how it goes. Who's here? It's the Ahoos. Ahoos. Can you see it? Ahoos. The Ahoos. Looking up, looking down, there, and all about. What else can you say? That's right. It's the Tittifers. Let's listen to their song. Who's here? It's Macapac's cave. Is he in? Yes. Hello, Macapaca. Are you clapping your hands today? Can we clap with you? Ready? Macapaca, aka waka, mika, maka, moo. Macapaca, aka, yaka, ika, aka, oo. Dum, aka, pang, ing, and oo. Macapaca, aka, waka, mika, maka, moo. Who's here? It's Upsy Daisy. Hello, Upsy Daisy. Upsy Daisy, here I come. I'm the only Upsy one. I'm the only Daisy too. Ipsy, Upsy Daisy do. Are you blowing kisses, Upsy Daisy? Let's blow kisses to Upsy Daisy. Bye-bye, Upsy Daisy. See you later, I'm sure. It's the Pontypines. All together, off we go. It's Iggle Piggle. Yes, my name is Ickle Pickle. Ickle Pickle Wickle Mickle Dickle. Yes, my name is Ickle Pickle. Ickle Pickle Nickle Wickle Boo. Look, there are all of Ickle Pickle's friends. Goodbye, Harhoos. Goodbye, Pontypines. Goodbye, Tomblyboos. Goodbye, Macca-Pacca. Goodbye, Upsy Daisy. Goodbye, Ickle Pickle. It's time for us to go.